In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a menu in WordPress using Elementor. Whether you're building a new site or upgrading an existing one, being able to integrate and customize a menu is essential for effective navigation. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Ensure you're already logged in because that's where all the magic begins. Once you've logged in, you'll want to navigate to the specific page where you wish to add your menu. Choose from the list of pages available on your site. If you're just starting, you might want to create a new page, but for now, we'll concentrate on adding a menu to an existing page. With the page selected, go ahead and click the button labeled Edit with Elementor. This action will open up the Elementor interface, where you'll have the capability to easily design and customize your web page. If you haven't used Elementor before, don't worry. It offers an intuitive drag-and-drop system that allows you to personalize your site quite effortlessly. Now that you're in the Elementor interface, it's time to focus on the part where we'll be adding the menu. From the Elements panel, you'll want to locate the Navigation menu. This is typically listed under the General Elements or Pro Elements section, depending on the version of Elementor you're using. Once you've found the Navigation menu widget, click it and then simply drag and drop it to where you want the menu to appear on your page. It's usually a good idea to place it in a header section, but where it goes can vary depending on your design intent. When you've placed the menu, you'll see different customization options open up on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll be able to select the menu style, adjust its alignment, and even choose which menu from your WordPress settings to display. You can switch between different menu designs, like horizontal or vertical layouts, to see what looks best. Remember, it's important to save your changes frequently, just in case. Elementor normally prompts you to update the page as you make changes, but getting into the habit of saving prevents any accidental loss of your hard work. Congratulations! You've successfully added a menu to your WordPress site using Elementor. Adding such elements to your site can significantly enhance its functionality and visual appeal. Customize it further to match your overall theme or business needs. Feel free to explore more of what Elementor offers, as it can really transform your website building experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to help you out.